The feudal system in Japan is almost like the feudal system in Europe. There is the emperor, then the shogun, who actually rules Japan, then the daimyo, the samurai warriors, then the peasants and artisans, and at the bottom are the merchants. There is a class here that is not represented. That is because they are not supposed to exist. These are the shinobi, also known as ninjas. Ninjas were usually picked out from the peasant class and were specially trained groups of spies and mercenaries. They were dressed in black. They would dress in black to blend into the night, but they would also dress in disguises, like as a kumuso monk, or a maidservant, or under a travel cape. If you look carefully, there's armor under there. That's because it has been found that many ninjas would even wear thin armor underneath their costumes. We will draw some ninja under the shadow of a tree at night. You will need paper and oil pastels. We're going to take the two colors of black and a skin tone colored oil pastel. We're going to start this guy off by making a frame around the paper. 5. Yep. I'm going to make it a smaller frame for this paper. Then we're going to make almonds. See that? Kind of do a slight rainbow shape, and then the same underneath, and that creates an almond. These almonds are going to be the faces of our ninjas. So start thinking about what kind of eyes you're going to put in there. Little circle eyes. How about happy eyes? I like those circle eyes. Maybe sleepy eyes. Next, I'm going to go around each of these almond faces, our ninjas that are cloaked and disguised in the night. I'm going to go around each of them so that when I fill in the rest of the white areas, it'll be a lot easier so I don't run into the ninja faces. And here we just start filling it in. We're creating the shadow that's under the tree. Now hopefully you get my humor, because what is it when it's nighttime? It's dark, right? Now what about if there's a shadow under a big tree? Does that mean it's dark outside still? Hopefully you could find the humor in that. Well, I wanted to share something else. So based on traditional Japanese folklore, the ninjas were descendants of the Tengu. A Tengu is a being that was half man and half crow. It's also rumored that the ninjas took orders from him. So they were, the Tengu were patrons of martial arts and skilled warriors, but they're also known for their mischief and trickery. They have the ability to change shape, to speak without moving their mouths, to appear in dreams as well, whenever they want, and to move instantly from one place to another without having to use their wings. Here's a picture of a Tengu. Look at that nose. Alright, so we have our ninja faces all filled in. Our shadow of the tree at night is all filled in. They are so well hidden by that blanket of nighttime. Now, if I was going to do this again, I would use the skin color first and then fill in the eyes. Maybe you can do that next time too. Because what I'm having to do here is to go around the eyes. But maybe with the skin color, I'm mixing in the eyes and making it so they're even more camouflaged. Enjoy!